Hey there, it's Jamie, and listen, I just want to do a quick video on how to handle when somebody returns something to you. What do you do? Mary Kay always says everything's 100% guaranteed, but as a consultant, what do you do? So I'm going to show you how to handle it. We're going to use me instead of my customer's name, and I just had somebody return something and exchange it, and so I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, we're going to go over here to ordering. Under your InTouch site, you cannot do this on the Mary Kay My Customers Plus app. You only can do this on Mary Kay InTouch. And so you're going to scroll on down to product replacement right in front of me. I'm like, where is it? Okay, so product replacement. And so you're going to say the ordering guidelines, you're going to say, I accept. All right, and so the shipping information is going to have your consultant and your information here. And it has my current address, and that's you. That's the consultant. All right, so now your customer information. I'm going to put my name in here just because I don't think, I don't want to have my customer's information on here. And so I'm just going to do this up really quick. Wait a minute. And I'm going to hit add. So if you had multiple people, you could do multiple things at the same time. Generally, the company wants you to do things as soon as it happens or within a day or two. They really don't like you hoarding a bunch of things and doing a whole bunch all at once. So that's not a good idea to do that. But, if you want to do them once a week or, every couple of weeks, I actually don't have very many returns. I don't think many of us do. So it's really just kind of a good idea to do it when it happens, because that way you're not waiting to get your own products replaced. So I've entered it. This is just one customer that I'm going to do right now. And so there I am right there. And now I'm going to say next. You're going to hit next. If I had other customers, I would have entered them in and added them. All right. So what are we returning? Well, she is returning this Time-Wise Luminous foundation, liquid foundation. So I'm just going to type in product description is going to be Time-Wise Luminous Beige for foundation. Okay. Price is $22. Now the part number is on the box. Okay. And try and hold this up here. It's right here. All right. And it's usually 6 digits. So I'm going to put the part number 707. That's the part number. I'm only returning one. She only returned one. Now, day code. That's something that people are like, what's the day code? And I'm like laughing because the sun's going down. Pray I can read this day code. So the day code, there's a day code. There's a 4-digit number. A lot of times it is 2 numbers and 2 letters. Sometimes it's 1 letter and 3 numbers. And on the foundations, it's actually right here in this crimped area. But every single one of our products has a day code on it. And the day code tells the month and the year that product was made, okay? And that helps the company know if there's a whole bunch of returns in the same day code, they might have had a faulty batch or something, and they might ask you to return the product, but they want to know the day code. All right, so I'm thinking this is 7F01. So let's try that, 7F01. And the date she returned it was today, so that's why I decided to do this little video for you. Today is the 16th, first day of the new quarter. Okay. Now the reasons why did she return it? Well, she returned it because of the shade. And reason 2, you could put whatever you want here. She didn't like the color. She thought it was too light. Okay. And so I'm going to hit add. All right. So here we go. There it is. Everything right there. Now I'm going to hit next. If I had other things that she had returned, I would have continued to do that and hit add the next one, the next one, and the next one, but I only have this one. So when you've got everything that you are having been returned, then you hit next. So now I've got next. So now it says product replacement or product item information, the replacement item information. So in my case, I'm actually going to just have them replace the exact same product. But the really cool thing is you actually don't have to replace the same product. You could do anything of the same dollar value. So you have $22 to spend basically, and you can spend that on anything that you want to be replaced by any section 1 items to be replaced by that. So I'm just going to replace the same one though. So I'm just going to put in my number, the part number, which is 038707. And I only have enough money for one, so I'm just gonna do one, and I'm gonna say add. All right, and so that's $22, $22. I'm gonna hit next. And so here we go, returning this one, and then I'm replacing it with this one, and then I would hit submit order. And that's it. That's all you have to do. The company will then, on their dime, ship you the new product. They will ask you to hang on to the one that was returned for 30 days, and mainly just to say, please hang on to that just in case they ask for it to be sent back. Like I said before, if they have a run on a bunch of the same VIN number or whatever, the same product number, then they might ask to have it back so they can do some testing. In the 20 years I've been doing this business, 19 and a half, I've never had anybody, they've never asked me to return it. And so that's just how you hang on to it, and then you can discard it, or and that's it. Okay, so that's how you do it. I'm not going to submit it because I, in fact, am not returning this and my customer. So I'm going to go back and change everything with my customer's information. So that's as simple as it is. It just literally takes seconds. You just log into your InTouch site. It's totally worth it. You are never out any money with Mary Kay. That's one of the greatest things about this company, is they totally support and back their sales people 1,000%, and so are never stuck holding the bag with any returns. Hope this helps you all. Have a great day.